Welcome to Select Lifestyle YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Ideas for ladies' handbags. A handbag is more than just a functional accessory, it's a statement piece that speaks volumes about one's style, personality, and sophistication. For women, the handbag is an essential companion, a trusted ally that carries not only their belongings but also their secrets, dreams, and aspirations. From the timeless elegance of a classic leather tote to the chic versatility of a crossbody bag, the options are as diverse as the women who carry them. Each handbag tells a unique story, reflecting the individuality and taste of its owner. Whether it's a structured satchel exuding professionalism and poise or a slouchy hobo bag embodying effortless charm, there's a perfect handbag for every occasion and mood. The craftsmanship and attention to detail invested in creating these masterpieces elevate them beyond mere accessories to symbols of luxury and refinement. With their intricate designs, luxurious materials, and impeccable finishing, handbags are not just practical items but works of art that evoke admiration and envy in equal measure. From the boardroom to the red carpet, from casual outings to formal affairs, the right handbag completes and enhances a woman's ensemble, adding that final touch of polish and allure. In the fast-paced world of fashion, trends may come and go, but the allure of a beautifully crafted handbag remains eternal, a testament to timeless elegance and enduring style. A woman's handbag is her sanctuary, a treasure trove of essentials and essentials alike, meticulously organized within its compartments and pockets. It's a reflection of her daily life, containing everything she needs to navigate the complexities of modern existence with grace and confidence. From the practicality of storing keys, wallets, and smartphones to the indulgence of carrying lipstick, perfume, and other beauty essentials, a handbag is a canvas for self-expression and preparation. Each handbag is carefully curated to match not only the outfit but also the mood and occasion, serving as a versatile accessory that effortlessly transitions from day to night, from work to play. The texture of its leather, the gleam of its hardware, the precision of its stitching all contribute to its allure, inviting admiration and envy wherever it goes. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, a handbag holds sentimental value, often becoming a cherished heirloom passed down through generations or a memento of special moments and milestones. Whether it's a designer masterpiece or a beloved vintage find, a handbag is more than just an accessory, it's a symbol of empowerment, independence, and femininity. It's a companion that accompanies her on life's journey, offering comfort, security, and style every step of the way. A woman's relationship with her handbag is deeply personal, transcending mere utility to become an extension of her identity and a reflection of her individuality. It's a manifestation of her taste, preferences, and lifestyle, embodying her unique blend of practicality and elegance. Each handbag purchase is a deliberate choice, guided by considerations of functionality, aesthetics, and emotional resonance. Whether she gravitates towards sleek minimalist designs or bold statement pieces, her handbag collection mirrors the complexities of her personality and the nuances of her style evolution. From the thrill of discovering a rare vintage gem to the satisfaction of investing in a timeless designer piece, the acquisition of a new handbag is imbued with a sense of anticipation and gratification. And as she carries it with her through the highs and lows of life, her handbag becomes a trusted confidant, witnessing her triumphs and tribulations with unwavering loyalty. It's a source of comfort and reassurance, offering a sense of stability and continuity in an ever-changing world. Ultimately, a woman's handbag is more than just an accessory, it's a symbol of her strength, resilience, and unwavering sense of self. A woman's handbag is not just a vessel for her belongings, it's a reflection of her essence, a repository of her dreams, desires, and aspirations. It's where practicality meets style, where form meets function, creating a harmonious blend that speaks volumes about her personality and priorities. Whether she's striding through the bustling city streets or attending a glamorous soiree, her handbag is her steadfast companion, carrying the essentials she needs to navigate the world with confidence and flair. From the sleek lines of a structured tote to the bohemian charm of a fringe-adorned crossbody, each handbag tells a story of adventure, sophistication, and unapologetic femininity. It's a canvas for self-expression, a way for her to make a statement without uttering a word. And as she selects the perfect handbag to complement her outfit and mood, she taps into her innate sense of style, effortlessly blending fashion with function. But beyond its aesthetic appeal, a handbag is a symbol of empowerment, independence, and self-care. It's a tangible reminder of her worth, a small indulgence that brings joy to her daily routine. With every swing of its strap and every pat of its leather, her handbag becomes more than just an accessory. It's a testament to her resilience, her ambition, and her unyielding spirit. A woman's handbag is a sanctuary of secrets and essentials, a sacred space where practicality meets luxury, and style intertwines with functionality. It's a vessel that holds her world within its confines, from the mundane necessities like keys and wallets to the cherished treasures like photos and mementos. Each handbag is a reflection of her individuality, curated with care to complement her outfit and elevate her ensemble. Whether she's opting for the timeless sophistication of a leather satchel or the playful charm of a brightly colored clutch, her choice of handbag speaks volumes about her personality and sense of style. But a handbag is more than just a fashion accessory. It's a symbol of independence, empowerment, and self-expression. As she strides confidently through life, her handbag is her constant companion, offering both practical utility and a touch of luxury. It's a versatile tool that effortlessly transitions from day to night, effortlessly adapting to the demands of her busy schedule. From the polished professionalism of a structured tote to the laid-back chicness of a slouchy hobo bag, her handbag selection reflects her multifaceted nature and the various roles she plays in her daily life. Yet, amidst its stylish exterior and functional interior, a handbag holds a deeper significance. It's a tangible representation of her dreams and aspirations. Whether she's splurging on a designer masterpiece or cherishing a vintage find passed down through generations, her handbag embodies her desires for success, elegance, and fulfillment. It's a symbol of her journey, a reminder of how far she's come and the heights she's yet to reach. In essence, a woman's handbag is more than just a fashion accessory or a practical necessity. It's a testament to her strength, her resilience, and her unwavering sense of self. It's a reflection of her essence, a canvas for her creativity, and a source of inspiration in her quest for authenticity and empowerment. A woman's handbag is a microcosm of her world, a meticulously organized haven that houses not just her belongings but her identity, aspirations, and essence. It's a tangible expression of her style, personality, and values, carefully chosen to complement her outfit and elevate her presence. From the sleek sophistication of a structured tote to the carefree charm of a bohemian crossbody, each handbag reflects her mood, intentions, and the occasion at hand. Yet, a handbag transcends mere aesthetics. It's a symbol of empowerment, independence, and self-assurance. As she confidently carries. A woman's handbag is more than just an accessory. It's a representation of her identity, a reflection of her personality, and a vessel for her daily life. Within its depths lie the tools of her trade, the comforts of her routine, and the treasures of her adventures. From the polished exterior of a designer tote to the bohemian flair of a woven clutch, each handbag speaks volumes about its owner's taste, lifestyle, and aspirations. But a handbag is not merely a fashion statement. It's a symbol of empowerment and independence. As she swings it over her shoulder or cradles it in her arm, a woman carries with her a sense of readiness, prepared for whatever challenges or opportunities may arise. It's her trusted ally in the boardroom, her companion on the dance floor, and her confidant during moments of solitude. Moreover, a handbag is a repository of memories and emotions, holding within its compartments the remnants of her daily adventures and significant milestones. From the well-worn wallet that has traveled the world with her to the lipstick that witnessed her first kiss, each item bears witness to her journey, her joys, and her triumphs. Ultimately, a woman's handbag is a symbol of her resilience, adaptability, and individuality. It's a canvas on which she paints her story, expressing herself through her choices, her organization, and her style. Whether she's navigating the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors, her handbag is her constant companion, a reflection of her essence and a testament to her strength. Above all, a woman's handbag is a reflection of her inner strength, resilience, and authenticity. It's a testament to her ability to navigate the complexities of modern life with grace and elegance, while staying true to herself.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments, and share.